Hey everyone, to do a quick tool haul from Harbor Freight video. Went and picked up the Merlin Air Chuck for the tires. Had one of the other style before this, and then the hose rotted off it. Had it probably 15 years or something. So replaced it with the Merlin. Seemed like a nice piece. Got the Doyle 12-inch square. Doyle side cutters, and saw these. They're Doyle. They're the same handle as the little flush cutters, but they're tweezers. Let's see. Get it to focus here. See, really fine tip. Come on. There we go. Smooth jaw, goes down to a point. Tweezers, got the little spring in there so it's spring loaded a little bit. I saw these levels. They're aluminum. They feel like they're nice. Weren't too much. ICT member, got 30% off of $20 items. So kind of got all this stuff, then stocked up on some zip ties, since old Nick at JDT Co says we're going to be having a zip tie shortage. I better stock up while I can. Some black and clear ones, but there's my little haul from Harbor Freight today. Y'all be safe. See ya.